can't wait so we can break apart the
Hi everybody, this is part 2 of the platformer that I'm doing. So let's go to the platformer game. Okay, let's just do this. Okay, so right now we did the movement with the left and right. Now we want to do the gravity. And if you didn't watch it, be sure to watch my other video on how to make the movement. So let's get started. So now you want to do this. You want to get an if statement. Actually, first you want to create a sprite. You want to paint the sprite. Actually, it's actually going to be a sprite, not a backdrop. So level. We're going to name this level, and then I'm going to make mine to green. Okay, no outline. Okay, I didn't click on it. Okay, no outline. Okay, I'm gonna make that 10. Okay, so now you can just make it to the bottom where you want it to be. So now let's get started to the code. Go to your player script and start with an if statement. Put an if statement and then touching level. Change y by 1. Change y by 1. And then repeat that 9 times. So it won't really matter like how tall it is. So just do that 9 times. Okay, I had to do that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I can just duplicate that. Okay, I got it 9 times. Now attach it in there. At the last, you want to create one last one and then put it there. Then do this, change y by -9 because we did 9 times. So -9 and then change x by, you want to change x by x velocity times -1. Times -1. So x velocity times -1 times okay, not y velocity, x velocity by -1. Okay, so now get a if statement and then actually not an if statement, if else. And then put that over here. Put that under that. And then change the blank spot in the if statement to key up arrow actually. Not right there though. Right there. Up arrow. Now you want to go to get another if else in the control section and then put that in the if, not the else part. And now you want to do if x velocity is greater than 0. X velocity is greater than 0. You want to set x velocity by -5. So this is for the wall jump. Then you want to duplicate that, and in the else statement, you want to do this. Set x velocity to 5. Then you want to set y velocity to 0 over here. Set y velocity to 0, and then you want to set x velocity to 0. We did that, but we need the gravity. So we have to change y velocity. Okay. Over there. Change y velocity by -1, and then you want to change y by y velocity. So you're changing y by the amount of y velocity. So like y velocity, okay, it's going up, but y velocity is like 0 right now because it's not moving. So change y velocity by y, change y by y velocity. If touching level, get another if touching level, change it to if touching level, not get an if touching level because that doesn't exist. If touching level, then change y by y velocity times -1. Change y by y velocity times -1. So get that. Change that to -1, and then go to variables and get y velocity. Change y velocity by -1, and then set y velocity to 0. Set y velocity to 0. Change y by -1 now. Change y by -1. No, not 10. No. And change y by -1. That's like the gravity part. And then if touching level, this is for this jump. Look, the ball is coming down slowly. Okay. Okay. What is happening? I'm not really sure what happened, but let's start. Then you want to do if touching level, you want to put another if statement in that if statement like this. And then you want to key up arrow pressed. Up arrow, not space, up arrow pressed. Set y velocity to 14. So set y velocity to 14. Now you want to change y by 1. Change y by 1. Okay. I have no idea why it's going for the corner. So I'm going to look if there's a mistake in my code. Catch you later. Okay, so I looked over my code again, and the mistake was that over here it was x velocity, but it had to be y velocity. So if you made the same mistake, well, now you know how to fix it. Now look, we got the jumping. Look, we literally got the jumping. But we can't really test out our wall jump, so let's go to our level and then create like a little barrier. Okay, let's see if our wall jump works. This is really not that good. Great of a barrier. It just looks like a little green. Okay, let's see. Did that? Okay. And I forgot to tell, but you had to set y velocity over here to 10. Okay. Let's just make our barrier a little bigger so you can actually see what's happening. Oh, there. Yeah, that would work. Okay, it's just climbing up it. I guess that's not really wall jumping. So what we need to do is I'll try to find out, but it's supposed to work correctly if I did my code correctly. But set my velocity to 14. I'm gonna see if there's another mistake, and then I'll come back. Bye. Okay, for some reason the wall jump isn't working, but I guess we can stick for some kind of weird sliding motion. I can't, for some reason I can't figure it out, but that looks fine. It actually looks good, but it's not really wall jumping. So now we want to create the trails. I said that it's gonna be in another video, but really, I want to complete it now because it's like the coolest part. So, let's start with the trails. Okay, so let's start with a when flag clicked, then you want to do the X velocity. You want to get a forever actually, not anything else. Then you want to get an if statement. Now you want to get stuff. If statement, then go to operators and get an OR. You want to repeat this at least like 3 times. I'm going to just do that. Okay, that should be good. And now we want to do this. If X velocity, we want to do 1, duplicate that, and then you want to do the other one, and then change that to 1, duplicate that, and then you put X velocity, Y velocity for 1, 2 of them, and then, but make sure they're different, like this one has to go with this one, and then you want to do X velocity, duplicate, and then change that to X velocity, duplicate, X velocity. Now just put them everywhere. It doesn't really matter which order you put it in. So now look, that's not gonna work really, but we want to create a clone of myself that's gonna be in control. Create a clone of myself. Now you want to do this. When I start as a clone, you want to show. So it's gonna be in control when I start as a clone. When I start as a clone, you want to show. Just for the way I do it, just create another one, and then change that to trails, because that's how I learned how to do it. Really doesn't matter how you do it, but then switch costume to trails, which we just created the costume. Switch costume to trails, and then you want to repeat like 20 times, depending how you want it trails to be. You can do like 1,000. You can do like 100, and then you can do change ghost effect by 10. Go to looks and then change ghost effect by. Actually, 25 is good. Ghost effect by 10. Look, this is the trails that you got, but that's really not that bad of a trail. I can do that to 1,000. Now let's see if it works. Now look at that. That's still not that great. I'm gonna put like loads of zeros. Okay, now let's see if it works. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, I guess we'll just do 10. Change ghost effect by 10. And then you want to do delete this clone. I think that's what made it wrong. I forgot to put that delete this clone. There, that's the trails everybody wants. But the only problem in this was like, for some reason the wall jumping script didn't work. And why did that stop? Okay, I have no idea how that went. Okay, that was totally a glitch. Okay, now we got the trail. Oh my gosh, I have no idea how these trails are just going away. I think I'll do this. I'll put this like 20. I'll do this 20, and then this 10. This should be good. Okay. Okay, look, it works perfectly fine. I'm just gonna test it. If it stops again, there has to be like a bug, or Scratch is not supporting stuff anymore. I think Scratch is not supporting. Whoa, that was, I have no idea what happened there. Let's see if I can do it again. Okay, that doesn't work anymore. These glitches always happen. There's pretty much no stopping it, but Okay, this is great how we did this so far. Next video is gonna be like speeds. It's gonna be like boosts. So like if you touch yellow, you get like a speed boost. If you continue touching it, if you like touch it forever, it's gonna take you a speed boost, but it's not gonna give it for the whole game. I mean, I could do it for like the whole game, but I'm not. So that's that. But we're gonna do like a jump pad or a speed pad or like lava and like hammers randomly appearing, and then they'll just start coming up and down. So that's basically the plan, but I'm not pretty sure that we're gonna do all of them, but we might, because I might take some videos. So that's it for this video. Like I said that we're gonna do the trails in another video, but the trails are like the excitingest part, so that's why I didn't stop. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Subscribe, click the like button, and turn on your notifications for the updates when I post a brand new video. Bye.